Okay, so let's get you a domain. To buy one, I recommend using Shopify, although you can buy one anywhere and port it over. I won't be including instructions because there's so many places you can buy them externally, but I will have links below for steps you can walk through to make sure that your domain is pointing to your Shopify store. Okay. So I recommend, of course, doing it here because everything's included and it's all easy to be set up. You click over here on the left on domains, it takes you to this page, and you click buy a new domain. So domain or URL is simply the .com or .net that you type into the browser up here to find a website or store. I would do a little, trademark research online, and I'd also look at social media profiles just to make sure the name that you're choosing is not already taken. What's kind of cool is Lindsay Skincare. Well, this will actually tell you if it's taken or not. Now look, this is not taken. I'm going to buy this for my sister. The prices kind of depend on what extension you buy. I just recommend starting with a .com. You can add the word store in there if you need to, but the shorter the better, and if you can use keywords around the products you're trying to sell, I think that's a huge positive. So click buy. Definitely make sure auto renew is clicked and you have the addresses here. You can click buy domain. So it brings it to your confirmation page. You can see the status is connected. We have some email addresses set up here, and this is kind of a page that you can go back to in the future if you need to work on some settings. That's pretty much it. You can always access your domain by clicking here on domains, and congratulations on purchasing your domain.